So how can you put a sleep timer on the iPhone? And let's explain that. If this is your first time on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So you can, of course, open up the main clock application where you have like your alarms and timers, and you are probably aware that you can set up a timer for specific hours, minutes, and seconds, and it's just going to count it down and then perhaps make a sound notifying you about that. But some people may not be aware that the other action when you tap on when a timer ends, it is not limited to just, making the sound. At the end or at the bottom of the list, you have the stop playing button. And when you choose the action after the timer ends to be stop playing, it means whatever you playing, whether it might be audiobook or music or some kind of video, whatever, this all will stop playing. So this is a perfect timer for your content and the media that you are watching or consuming, and that is a nice way to set that up. For example, some specific applications like Audible or those audiobooks type of apps might already have the sleep timer built in, but this is generally across the board. So you can use it for any application or any service which you are streaming or listening to. So let me know if that's the thing that you are looking for. Most definitely subscribe and hit the thumbs up so you never miss anything important, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.